Think chia seeds are the ultimate superfood for weight loss? But here's a question you need to ask yourself right now. If you're adding chia seeds daily but the scale isn't moving, what are actually the reason why? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how chia seeds, when used incorrectly, can slow fat loss, disrupt digestion, and even harm gut health, and more importantly, how to fix it. Because these 5 common chia seed mistakes are turning a healthy habit into a hidden weight loss blocker. And pay close attention to mistake number 4. It's the one silently stopping fat loss for thousands of people every single day. Mistake number 1, eating chia seeds dry. Let's start with the most common mistake, eating chia seeds dry. Chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water. That's beneficial in puddings or smoothies, but problematic inside your digestive system. When eaten dry, they swell in the gut, pulling water from your body. This slows digestion, increases bloating, and can even cause discomfort or blockages. Fix it. Always soak chia seeds before eating them. Use a simple ratio. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 3 tablespoons water. Let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes until they form a gel. Mistake number 2, overloading on chia seeds. Chia seeds are healthy, but more is not better. Just 1 tablespoon contains around 5 grams of fiber. Now imagine adding 2 or 3 tablespoons all at once. That sudden fiber load can overwhelm your gut, leading to gas, bloating, constipation, and even water retention, all of which work against weight loss. Fix it. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. If you're new to chia seeds, start with 1 tablespoon and give your digestive system time to adapt. Slow digestion equals better absorption and better results. Mistake number 3, ignoring proper hydration. Here's a mistake almost no one talks about. Chia seeds require water to work properly. If you eat them but don't increase your fluid intake, they continue absorbing water from your body. This leads to dehydration, sluggish digestion, and reduced fat metabolism. Hydration is essential because it supports fiber movement, metabolic efficiency, and toxin elimination. Fix it. Whenever you consume chia seeds, drink water consistently throughout the day. Pair them with hydrating foods like smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Your digestion and energy levels depend on it. Mistake number 4, using chia seeds as a meal replacement. This is the sneakiest mistake of all. Many people drink chia water or eat chia pudding alone and expect sustained fat loss. But here's the truth. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense, but they are not a complete meal. They lack sufficient protein and balanced fats needed to stabilize blood sugar and support metabolism. When protein is missing, hunger hormones spike and fat burning slows. Fix it. Use chia seeds as part of a balanced meal, not the entire meal. For example, add them to a smoothie bowl with fruit nut butter and a protein source. Combine with Greek yogurt or a clean protein powder. This creates satiety, metabolic balance, and sustainable fat loss. Thumbs up if this mistake surprised you. Tap the like button so more people can avoid it. Mistake number 5, not choosing organic chia seeds. Here's something most people overlook. Conventionally grown chia seeds may contain pesticide residues. Over time, these chemicals can interfere with hormones, liver detoxification, and metabolic health, all crucial for weight loss. Fix it. Choose organic, non-GMO chia seeds whenever possible. It's a small upgrade with long-term benefits for your body. If you're thinking, wow, I've been making some of these mistakes, that's okay. The good news is these are easy fixes. When digestion improves, fat loss, energy, hormone balance, and overall wellness naturally follow. Chia seeds truly are powerful, but only when used the right way. So remember, always soak them, control portions, stay hydrated, choose quality, store them properly. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who uses chia seeds daily, and subscribe to Holistic Health for more science-backed wellness guidance. Have questions or personal experiences with chia seeds? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.